How you guys doing? This is George over at Wicked Warnings, your number one source for construction and emergency safety strobe lighting equipment. Kind of like what you're looking at here. We got some hideaways in white and reverse. Got some hideaways in amber in the third brake light. Got a couple of amber TIR3s on the bumper. Looking good. 2017 Chevy Silverado. Couple years old, but still beautiful. Construction use mostly. All right, let me show you around the front. Pretty truck, good condition. Props to the owner for keeping it nice. TIR3s mounted in the grille with our 90-degree mounting bracket and the auto flasher DRL flash kit on the headlights. DRL right there on the DRL circuit of the headlight. That's our Wicked Warnings auto flasher and our TIR3. If you like this, check links in the description and we'll get it to you.